Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video we'll discuss about how March your North Node will impact the market and what could be the future course of action for Nifty. So Nifty has seen some very today after 245 we have seen a very quick fall in a very small time in Nifty, and after that can we see a recovery in the market or the fall will extend? So let's go and check. So first important thing is I want to discuss about this Mars your North Node impact. Now I've discussed in a lot of my previous videos, North Node is a very important planet. uh, it creates volatility. It is called Rahu. Rahu North Node and South Nodes are brothers and son of the moon, and it creates lot of volatility in the market. So North Node, as I've written in my daily analysis, will lead to volatility in the markets, and this conclusion we have arrived, which referred to as a panic cycle. Right? It is something called as a panic cycle. It typically does not result in immediate shift in trend. There are instances when opposition lead to change in trend, but sometimes it takes a while before the downtrend takes hold. It is basically called as a panic cycle. And based on the planetary movements, we have even devised our timing. Like we have, these were our intraday timing. See here, our last time was 245, and if you can see here, from 245 only, this is so 247. We started seeing this sharp decline in the market. So yes, because of expiry and this was our GAN resistance zone. So it was, a very good, nice trade which we were able to take based on both price and time which were meeting here. So this is GAN resistance zone, so GAN angle zone, and this was our timing. And from there we have seen a sharp decline both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Right. So now this is done. So what could be the next move of the market is what we are focusing on now. So for that, what we require is timing solution software. So here I've drawn the important, the first thing is this is Mars, YOD, North Node. North Node is 150-degree aspect. As you can see, this aspect generally forms near the top or bottom, as I can see here. Last time also it happened somewhere here. Next day we made a bottom and we had a sharp recovery. Again it formed here almost a bottom and a small recovery. Then we again saw here perfect bottom and a good rally. So this is one aspect which is forming. Another thing which is happening is Venus is also making 150-degree aspect with Jupiter. So I'll select here Venus, your Jupiter. So now Jupiter again, it is related to banks, and today if you see the RBI bulletin, so that is not a good news for the banks because they have increased the weightage of the loans for car loans, consumer loans. So bank with the same capital will, for the same profit, they require higher capital. So either they have to dilute or raise more capitals, which is, I think, not a good news for the bank. Let's see, and Bank Nifty has been underperforming Nifty for a while. So let's see. So this particular aspect, again you see here, it forms 1 or 2 days below before a top or bottom. Venus or Jupiter. This will have more impact on Nifty as compared to Bank Nifty. Sorry, Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. And yes, tomorrow two more major aspects are forming: Mars trine Neptune. Now, whenever Mars is involved, it creates a lot of energy, and whenever energy is involved, either it will, put a, it will add what we call in Hindi, आग में घी डालने जैसी बात होती है. So some whenever the mass aspects are coming, I'm very mask, and if North Node is also coming, I'm very cautious on the market, and you can get some good opportunities in trading with this weekly expiries if you're an index trader. So I've applied here Mars trine uh, Neptune. Okay, I have to apply Neptune, sorry. So I've applied Neptune. I'll just unselect Jupiter, and I'll again apply this aspect. It is forming tomorrow, and before that it formed here. We had 3 4 days of decline. These are very unique aspect. It doesn't form, it made an exact perfect bottom and a good rally. So these are very important aspect. And if we go in weekend, I'm not seeing any major aspect. So only 22nd is an important date when sun is going ingress. So apart from that, some so basically tomorrow's high and today's high and low is very, very crucial because Nifty has reacted from this GAN angle. So probably if you're very bullish on the market, now there is another thing which I wanted to show here. This is Nifty chart. First, let me go to Nifty. See here, it made the first high here. Then we had a small correction. Then again it made a top here, and then again we had a small this was a quick correction. Then again price came here, so it is kind of a double top, exactly not double top because this high was 19,850 and this high is 19,875, but it's closed below it. So so this is something which we need to keep in mind. So market has to close about today's high for the up move to continue towards new high. If you even see the broader markets, the breadth is not that strong as it used to be. So will it be a corrective rally and then again we'll start a downtrend? For that, one level which you need to keep in mind for Nifty is 19,683. This is a very, very important GAN level. If I go to a 15-minute chart, you will see market reacting very violently towards this. See, exactly made a high here. From there the deep correction started. From this top it generally moves up. So 19683 is one level. If someone wants to add short, add only if you a 15 minutes candle close below 19683. Your targets will be and add more once it starts closing below 19600 for an ultimate target of 19320. This is the plan. And if you want to go on the long side, then best is to go long above 900 for keep a like a 55 point stop loss for a targets towards 2159. This is the plan for Nifty. And let's come to Bank Nifty. And if I look at Nifty on other parameters, which is the moving average parameter, you can see here price is closing about all its four moving averages. So definitely the trend is buy on dips, provided, like I told you, it needs to close about 19683. Otherwise these three moving averages will be broken in a single day. That kind of fall is what I'm anticipating. If and when it comes, it has to close below this 19579. So I'll add 19683 and 19600. Once it starts trading below these two levels, then we can see a very quick fall till 514327, as we have discussed as per CAN levels also. And now let me go towards Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty, it's unable to close above its 100-day moving averages. Today close below 20-day. Tomorrow, hopefully, I mean, it will come down and fill this whole gap also. This gap will be filled based on the RBI news which we have seen. Even Bajaj Finance was under pressure because of the RBI news. So fundamentally things are changing, so we have to be cautious. And second thing is, if I look at moving averages, so we have looked at it, and prices, see, today it has closed below this 50% or octave point of this whole up move. So probably if it is not able to close this level, again Bank Nifty, you see this was the first top, then a small rally, second lower low, then this, and if it is not able to cross this level, then this low 42105 should break. Right, this is what we are seeing. PSU banks is something which has outperformed the market, but this news can impact them. So can bank, we had a discussion on that also. So hopefully if this low is breached, then probably this whole up move till 385 will be absorbed again by the market, is what we are forecasting. So yeah, so that's about it. Bank Nifty levels, let's quickly look at that also. If someone wants to trade Bank Nifty, let me, yep. So, yep. So let me 1 minute. Yeah. If you want to short Bank Nifty, best is to short below 44,000 for a move towards 43,788, 43,577, and 43,367. If someone wants to go long in Bank Nifty, then better to go long above 44,484 for a move towards 693 and 903 is what we are seeing for tomorrow. And weekend I'll try to create another video, but this is what we are seeing now. So let's see how the market reacts. So Mars, your North Node, and Mars trine Neptune. These are the two important aspects which we are focusing on for the tomorrow and for the week. So, and then probably on 22nd we might see another trend change based on the sun ingress. So yeah, so that's about it. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined.